Today's topic is termite proofing. Termites, popularly known as white ant, cause considerable damage to woodwork or product in which cellulose is predominant. Damage to woodwork, furnishing, etc. of building. In some countries, the loss caused due to termites is estimated to be as high as 10% of the capital capital outlay of buildings. Termite problem is worldwide. Anti-termite treatment is therefore necessary so that damages are either reduced or stopped altogether. Termites are of two types. First, dry wood termites, and second, subterranean termites. Now, anti-termite treatment. What is the treatment for termite? Anti-termite treatment may be divided into two categories. First is pre-construction treatment before construction, and the second is post-construction treatment. If anti-termite treatment not provided before construction, then post-construction treatment. First is pre-construction treatment. This treatment is started right at the initial stage of construction of building. Pre-construction treatment can be divided in three operations. First is site preparation, second soil treatment, and third structural barrier. In site preparation, this operation consists of removal of stumps, roots, logs, waste wood, and other fibrous matter, any fibrous matter from the soil or site at the construction site. And the following chemicals used: chemical and their concentration by weight. First is DDT, 5%. Second, BHC, 0.5%. Aldrin is a effective chemical. Aldrin, 0.25%. Heptachlor, 0.25%. And chlorodin, 0.5%. This is the first stage. Second, soil treatment. The best and only reliable method to protect building against termite is to apply a chemical treatment to the soil at the time of construction of the building. The chemicals are in concentration: Aldrin 0.5%, heptachlor 0.5%, and chloridin 1%. Out of the Aldrax, Aldrax 30 EC has proved to be the most effective, and Aldrax 30 EC has the following advantages. This is the very effective anti-termite chemical. It is highly toxic to termites. Next, it can easily be applied after dilution with water. Third advantage, it is insoluble in water. This is the big advantage of this Aldrax 30 EC. In other words, this chemical will not dissolve in subsoil water and disappear quickly from the site. So there is no groundwater pollution. If is soluble in water, then mix with underground water and pollute the subsoil water. So this disappear quickly from the site. Next advantage, it is effective even many years after application. Procedure of apply the LTREX 30 EC. One part of LTREX 30 EC is diluted with 59 parts of water. This provides an emulsion containing 0.5% aldrin. A cone or sprayer used at the following stages. Stage 1 for chemical use, stages of soil treatment. This is the foundation, this is ground level, floor level. Stage 1 at chemical used at foundation pit. Pit prepared for foundation. Here chemical spray. Stage 1 in foundation pits to treat the bottom and sides up to a height of about 30 centimeter. Bottom and this bottom and height up to 30 centimeter. Here spray of LTEX 30 EC. The emulsion required is at the rates of 5 liter per square meter. 5 liter LTEX 30 EC sufficient for 1 square meter area. Stage 2, the refill earth on bath the sides of all built up walls for width of 30 centimeter on walls and depth of 45 centimeter approximately. The rate of 5 liter per square meter. Same. Stage 3, before laying the floor, the entire leveled surface is to be treated at the rate of 5 liter of emulsion per square meter. In this stage, chemical used in foundation and up to the 30 centimeter and above this stage here 30 centimeter this and 45 centimeter walls, and third stage on floor level, plinth level. Next operation is first operation is site preparation, second soil treatment, and third is structural barrier. In the structural barrier, for anti-termite treatment, continuously at plinth level or floor level to prevent entry to termite through walls. These barrier may be in form of concrete layer or mortar layer. Cement concrete layer may be 5 to 7 centimeter thick. It is preferable to keep the layer projecting about 5 to 7.5 centimeter internally. Cement concrete layer provide 5 to 7.5 centimeter thick on floor level where DPC is provided, and projecting about 5 to 7.5 centimeter internally and externally both sides. And also metal barrier may consist of non-corrodable sheets of copper or galvanized iron of 0.8 mm thick. Metal sheet also used at floor level. This is the structural barrier for termites in structure or building. This is the treatment before construction. And post construction treatment, it is a maintenance treatment, not full treatment. It is a maintenance treatment for the buildings which are already under attack of termites. Detect the points of entry of termites in the building. These points may be in near vicinity of column, basement, steps, leading from ground, bathroom, lavatories, leaking pipes, drains, etc. And all the places where woodwork is embedded in the ground. And in all these areas, make the holes from drill and chemicals pumped forcefully through pump into the holes. And after treatment, the holes will be sealed by cement mortar. This is the post construction treatment.